Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your profile picture on xPortal. The process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. Open your xPortal application from your app drawer. Log into your account by entering your PIN code. Once you are signed into your xPortal account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture located at the top left. Now, choose the profile option from the list. Tap on Edit Profile right next to your profile picture and then tap on Profile Picture from the list. You can go ahead and tap on Set an NFT or Set a Photo. Select any one of your preference. Tap on the Take Photo option and take a picture from your camera, or to upload an existing picture, tap on Open Gallery, which will then take you to your phone's gallery. Now you can select a picture of your choice you would like to set as a profile picture. Once you've made the selection, tap on Done at the top right corner and you will be able to change your profile picture on xPortal. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.